In the GoldMaster 24k video titled Basic Prospecting Settings, Steve Hirschbach discussed the use of discrimination. As he pointed out, it is always best to avoid using discrimination when you are searching for tiny gold nuggets, but sometimes you might find it is simply necessary to use some discrimination due to high volumes of small iron trash in your search area. We will now demonstrate how the use of discrimination works in both of the GM 24k's audio modes. To select either mode, simply tap the audio mode button that has the music note icon on it. When the audio mode icon is on, you are in the beep mode. This means that the GM 24k will produce two distinct beeps, one that is a high tone and one that is a low tone. The higher tone has a better chance of being a non-ferrous target, such as gold, aluminum, silver, or brass. The lower tone has a better chance of being ferrous, such as iron or a hot rock. Listen to the two tones as we pass the search coil over the small gold nugget, and then the small piece of iron trash. To use the zip mode, tap the audio mode icon to turn the music note symbol off. In zip mode, the GM24k will produce a standard VCO zip sound on all targets. The audio pitch and volume rises as the strength of the target signal increases. Listen as we go over the small gold nugget and the small piece of iron trash again. They both have the same zippy kind of sound. Experienced prospectors generally prefer the zip mode due to its ability to enhance the response of such tiny targets. The GoldMaster 24k includes a large digital target ID number on the screen. When the search coil passes over a target, this scale will produce a number between 00 and 99. Higher numbers have a greater chance of being a non-ferrous target, such as gold. But in challenging ground, it is important to dig every questionable target. Sometimes very small gold can produce a low target ID number. Or in the case of sub-grain size nuggets, there may be no target ID number at all. When in doubt, it is best to dig all target sounds. If you are digging so much small iron trash that you wish to use some discrimination, you can do so by simply tapping this iron cancel button with the nail icon. By tapping the nail icon button, the GM24k will engage the iron cancel feature as its default setting. If you wish to adjust the amount of iron discrimination, either up or down, press and release the iron cancel button. Use the up and down buttons to adjust the discrimination range. In this case, I will adjust the iron cancel just enough so that this iron nail does not produce audio. Notice as we swing back over our two targets, the small gold nugget still produces audio. But the iron target is now silent. This iron cancel feature can be used in both the zip mode and the beep mode. So let's listen to the two targets in each mode. In the beep mode, the iron cancel will blank or suppress the iron target audio. Be aware that any use of iron discrimination will decrease your detector's sensitivity to small gold nuggets. Some detectorists find that it is best to search with iron cancel switched off and then toggle it back on to check a questionable target. Remember that in very mineralized soils, tiny nuggets may present a very low target ID number or none at all, so the use of iron discrim should be considered a last resort in the most challenging search environments.